This video clip is in continuation of my previous video clip which has been uploaded on YouTube under the title Sanskrit Phonology. In this clip, we will be discussing how to articulate the retroflex t and the per class consonants. Most of the languages the world over do not produce or phonate the t class consonants retroflexively, and many find that they cannot phonate t by retroflexively turning the tongue while phonating t. One can learn how to retroflexively phonate t in a very simple way. There is a simple technique that one can use. That is, the tongue can be retroflexively pressed against the palate by just putting one's head down. That is like this. When you put your tongue down, you cannot touch the palate by the upper surface of the tongue. You need to turn the tip of the tongue backwards and touch the lower portion of the tongue against the palate. So, just see how one can phonate it. Like this. Put your tongue against the palate, press it, ta, and while phonating, just you release the tongue. Automatically the sound ta will be produced. Like this. Ta, ta, ta. One should also remember that while we are phonating in this manner, we are not joining a to t. That is, this is t. And when we join a to t, it becomes t, t. So in Sanskrit, the consonants are treated separately than the vowels. A phoneme is a consonant vowel ensemble. However, this is not what it is in Sanskrit. People say, or grammarians say, that you cannot phonate a consonant without phonating a vowel. That is untrue. In Sanskrit, every consonant can be phonated plosively without the support of a vowel. Further, we will now learn how to phonate the per class consonants. As in the case of t, we press the tongue, the lower portion of the tongue, against the palate. Even while phonating per class consonants, or for that matter, any plosive consonant, we not only require to touch any two organs of the tongue, we need to press the two organs of the tongue against each another. That is like this. Pa, pa, and then release the tongue or the two organs. Here the lips. What happens when we press the lips against one another? Normally when we touch the lips against one another, we find that the tongue remains at the same place. When we press it, the tongue moves posteriorly. That is, now the pressed lips need to be released instantaneously to produce the sound p. That is, p. You will also notice that the sound is heard after you have gone through the process of articulation. That is, p. Now to phonate p, what you need to do is to just shift the point of contact one step posteriorly. That is, p, p. To phonate b, you should shift the point of contact, or the point where we press them against one another, one step posteriorly. That is b, b. To phonate b, again shift the point at which we are pressing the lips, two lips against one another, one step posteriorly. That is b, b, b. And again to phonate m, you need to press the lips one step posteriorly to b. That is m, m. So then what you are doing is you are just articulating every consonant one step posteriorly to the previous consonant. The reason why there are only 5 consonants is there are only 5 points at which you can press the lips against one another. You don't have a sixth point. And these points are available in every human mouth. This is not special. So one can learn how to phonate the per class consonants. That is p, p, b, bh, m. As in the case of t, when you are phonating p, ph, b, bh, m, you are not attaching a vowel to it. That is, we are saying p, not p, p, p. You will find the difference in the while phonating it, the sound that is produced when you attach a to it. That is, it is p and p.